Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an AI inspirational quote video in CapCut PC. If you want to make beautiful and aesthetic AI inspirational quote videos for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, on TikTok, you can do it easily on CapCut PC, and here's how you can do it. So open your CapCut PC and then just head to the AI video maker and you'll see this interface. And now for inspirational quote video, you also see the AI templates. This one, inspirational quotes, and there will be some categories that you can select it. For example, power woman story or lesson for success, today's horoscope, or keep fighting. So you can just choose which templates that you want. So I'm going to just go with the power woman story. You can click on remake, and in here I'm not going to change the prompt, but here I'm going to change the avatar. So for example, I'm going to just go with this one, the success queen Victoria. So by clicking on create, CapCut will automatically add music, effects, and another elements to your videos. Now you can just wait until it's done. So now my video is done, and here if you want to see the result, you can click on the play button. So CapCut still animating the AI avatar, so the mouth will be moved according to the script when it's done. If you want to modify the video, here you can edit the script, cut some scenes, you can add elements, and also add music. You can also click on edit more if you want to edit the video on the CapCut PC timeline. As you guys can see, now it will be moved. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.